Huh? I don't think so. Wyndham, Mattoon, Effingham, Bloomington. It looks like it's starting to lighten up a little bit. I mean, I said it looks like it's starting to lighten up a little bit. It looks like it's, I mean, it's still heavy, but it looks like it's starting to taper down a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it's, yeah, it looks like it's starting to taper down that bit. I mean, it's still heavy, but it's like, I mean, oh shit! I almost like dropped the phone when that happened. I like literally. I'm videotaping this right now. Well, Ryer gave me the idea. He was out there videotaping. I was like, shit, I have an iPod, I could do this too. What time is it right now? So about like 15 minutes I gotta head down. So I'm gonna go inside and talk to you for like 10 more minutes.